Today I'm going to show you how I brush and whiten my teeth. AutoBrush is the first automatic toothbrush that cleans and whitens your teeth at the same time. So this is a little brush head that basically brushes your teeth. You can easily just change the head, so this is how you do it. It's very easy. And then you just turn it on. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this. So first I will be putting the whitening foam toothpaste from AutoBrush onto the brush. So after I brush my teeth, I'm now going to whiten my teeth. And for whitening my teeth, we're going to be using AutoBrush's teeth whitening pen. And this is what it looks like. It's basically just a gel formula that you're going to put all over your teeth. This is what the other head looks like. And we're just going to attach it to our AutoBrush device. It's really easy. All you do is go like that, and there you go. Now we're going to use the teeth whitening pen. So that is how I brush and whiten my teeth using AutoBrush, and you guys definitely need to try this out.